What's up, guys? Today, I'm showing you a brand new earning website. I'll cover everything from registration to cash out, so let's get started. First, hit sign up. Just enter your full name, username, email, and password. Finish the CAPTCHA, agree to the terms, and click sign up. That's it, you're in. Now, once you're on the dashboard, the most important thing to do is verify. As soon as you click on verify, a verification link will be sent to your email. Now, just like you can see in my email, simply click on verify your email. Then open your preferred browser and your account will be activated. After your account is activated, simply click on the 3-line menu option. You'll find earning options like referrals, daily bonuses, coupons, short links, and challenges. Plus, you can earn through Faucet and PTC ads. Our main earning source is the Faucet, so let's click on that. Once you're on the Faucet page, there's an extra option, EXP. We'll discuss this in the middle of the video, so don't skip it, watch it carefully to understand. So let me first explain how to do the Faucet. Simply scroll down, a CAPTCHA will appear. It's a simple emoji CAPTCHA. Select the emoji and your CAPTCHA will be filled. After that, click on Collect Your Reward and your reward will be collected. You can repeat this every 7 seconds. So once this task is complete, you can see that your EXP has decreased, like mine went from 25 to 24. Now, how to earn that? To earn it, simply click on the 3-line menu again. Go to Short Links, solve any short link, and you'll get EXP. You have to earn EXP through short links and PTC ads because without it, you won't be able to do the Faucet.
We are down to our final 2 options, PTC ads and advertise. In PTC ads, you simply need to view ads. The advertise option is for those who have their own website and want to promote it or get traffic. Now I'll show you a quick demo by solving a short link so you can see if the EXP actually increases. As you can see, I'm back after completing 1 short link and 1 PTC ad. My EXP jumped from 24 to 44. I earned 15 EXP from the short link and 5 EXP from the PTC ad. This is how you can boost your level and earnings. Now let's move to the most important part, the withdrawal process. You won't be able to withdraw without following these steps carefully. Even if you click the withdraw button, it won't work initially because you need to link your wallet address first. Click on the Link Here option. Once you click Link Here, you need to connect your Faucet Pay address. For example, I'll select LTC as it's my favorite. I'll go to my Faucet Pay account, copy my LTC deposit address, and paste it here to link it. Now go back to the Withdraw section, select LTC, and fill out the CAPTCHA. Enter the amount. As soon as I click Withdraw, you can see the status is proceeded. The payment was sent instantly. If we check my Faucet Pay account, you can see the payment has been received immediately. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. You can find the website link in my Telegram channel's recent post. Thanks for your valuable time.